Hello everyone. Today, we're presenting the installation video for Dazuma's low-profile bladeless ceiling fan with light, featuring an inverter LED lighting system. The package includes one accessory kit. The accessory kit includes one instruction manual, one plug-in power cord, one screw accessory pack with long screws and wall anchors, and one remote control. Step 1. Remove the protective foam from the product's 4 air outlets. Step 2. Remove the 4 protective covers from the product and store them properly for later use. Step 3. Prepare a piece of cardboard, then place the product on top of it. Step 4. Use a marker to mark the positions of the product's 4 screw holes onto the cardboard. Step 5. Use the marker to pierce through the 4 marked points on the cardboard. This helps prevent paper debris when drilling the holes later. Step 6. Place the marked cardboard at the desired installation position. Then mark the mounting points through the holes on the cardboard. Next, use an electric drill to drill the holes. Step 7. Insert the 4 wall anchors from the screw accessory pack into the drilled holes. Step 8. With the power supply to the installation area completely turned off, connect the product's power wires to your push-in quick wire connectors. Step 9. Place the product into position, then insert the 4 long screws from the screw accessory pack into the product's 4 mounting holes. Make sure each screw is properly aligned with the wall anchors installed earlier. Step 10. Reinstall the 4 protective covers that were removed in Step 2. The product installation is now complete. Dazuma, your dedicated partner in professional lighting.